What we'll have here in the final image are 25 circles here, 25 circles with multicolored arcs. Now, what is an arc? An arc actually is a portion of the circumference of the circle, like this one here. This is colored red. This is red arc. And as you can see in the circle, there are 6 arcs. This one is yellow. This one is colored green. And this one is colored yellow again. This one is colored blue. And this one is colored yellow again. So each circle in the 25 circles will have 6 arcs surrounding the circle. Okay, let's start now. The first arc is red here. The second arc is yellow, as I have explained a while ago. And then the third one is green, this one here. And then the fourth one is yellow, this one here. And then hidden in the code here are blue and yellow. Now let's start. Before um, before I draw the arc here, for example, let's start here. For example, before I draw the arc here like this, before I draw the arc like this one here, this is supposedly red. What I'm gonna do, for example, the turtle is right here. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna assign the color, which is red in this case. Then I'm gonna turn the turtle 90 degrees. Initially, the turtle is like this. Now I'm gonna turn the turtle 90 degrees like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna draw a line that is 10 units. So this is line that is 10 pixels long. 10 pixels long. And then since our turtle is now here, and since this is the arc that I am going to draw here, I have to go back from this point to this point here. So what does that mean? I have to go backward 10 units. So after going backward 10 units, I am now at this point here. Okay, this point here. And then I will turn the turtle 90 degrees because at this point the turtle is not oriented towards that one, towards this one here. So I have to make sure that the turtle is turned 90 degrees to the right so that it is like this. Now I can draw the arc now. Now this is how you draw the arc of a circle. You have to specify the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. Okay, in this case, R is 5 here. And then we're going to add the 5 to 10 times I. The I in this case, for example, initially, when you started in the middle here, is the middle. The R there is equal to 0. But in this case, the R is no longer 0. Um, the R is now R plus 10 times I, where I is a number that is generated from 0 up to 24. Look here, the I is actually starting from 0, and then it will be changed up to 24. Now, this one here is the central angle. This one here is the central angle over which you will draw the arc. Look at this one here. 60 degrees is the central angle here. Okay, so from this point here, this point, we draw an arc that is colored red. This is colored red. And then at this point here, we draw the next arc. But before doing that, we turn the turtle right because we need to draw this one here. We need to draw this one here. So it becomes like this. Um, we draw this line here and then go back and then draw, then turn the turtle like that and then draw the next arc, which is yellow. Okay. Now this procedure is repeated until you have one complete circle here. So this is yellow. This is green. This is yellow again, and this is blue. Okay, and then that is yellow. Now, before you draw the bigger circle, what you need to do is this one here. You prepare for the next. Prepare for next circle. The next circle is slightly bigger than the preceding one. Look at this, the radius is now 11 times I, while the preceding one is 10 times I. Now, once you have prepared for the next circle, you will just continue with this procedure here. This is one complete circle, one circle. Okay, and this is how the final image is generated.